off a dress, suck up her breast. She do the same, come suck off my neck. Bust it like a tech, yeah, me love it when you get on top and scrape up my chest. We reach really deep, I'ma turn you over. Put my hands on your shoulder, bend you over. She want me take my time when I arch her over. Beat her from the back with a fucking slow song.
Reaction.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Terry Vlogs, aka The Reaction. But I'm back with another video for you guys. Now today we have an artist called BoyoBoss. People, this song is called The Best. I will see the teasers on Instagram. You understand me? You understand me, people? This is his boy's first girl tune. Right? You must switch it up for you. You must switch it up for Uno, Trinidad. Yo, because see what I go on now, I have a video. I want some girls telling the dog say, no, you know me love the woman them already, you know. But before that, yo, comment on this video to see your comment right over there in the next video that I post. While I big up some people, you see me say, people, I forget them big up, you know. Because see what I go on for the big up them, you know. Let's say big up to Monster Inc. You know, social with Let's Go Film. You see me? Them are the production team for that video. You see me? I say, I guess them work together upon this. I say big up to Aaron Alexis, I understand me, the director. So you direct the video, so if your girl let me out there, you know, who forget the big up for that? You know that already, you know. Yeah, let's big up to Vibration Sounds as usual, for safety on the set. I say big up to New Generation Touchdown because as usual, big up yourself in the NGT. You don't know what they represent for you one more time. And Sprang Boss, you don't know, big up yourself also. People make so hard going for that video, yeah, man. 3 Point Entertainment, big up yourself. You ready for the video? BoyoBoss, the best. Earn tune! Monster Inc.
Sprang. 3 Point Entertainment. Sprang.
Yeah?
3 Point Entertainment.
Pause! What go on, baby? Let's not stay so too long and talk about you, you know. Because we must see again in the video, yeah? People go from Instagram, Terry Vlogs. Run tune!
Master Fader, you know you do your thing, man. Smooth.
Range Rover. Drone shot. Fresh. I'm not even going to talk about her too long, you know. Because we're going to see her in the video, right? But so far, I like it. Alexis, yeah, go on. BMW.
She not like the rest, baby girl, you the best.
Yeah.
She pass all the tests and she clean up the mess.
The best.
She not like the rest, baby girl, you the best. She pass all the tests and she clean up the mess now.
Pass, people. You know what kind of mess you dog talk about? She pass all the tests when she clean up the mess. After she goes to boom and beat up the giant and buy with some. Me have to explain to Uno. Boy, you know what you talk about. Run it.
Girl, you the meaning of the words on my chest. 7 inches long, all on your breast. She a real G. Let me know why she pick me. Love it when you lick me. Girl, you know you trip me. I me love all the tricks. She the jockey with the tits. The way she bounce and split from my dick. Come like John Wick from the empty, the clip full up real quick. You know it not stick. 7 hours straight. She up and never get. She want it rock, yeah, she ready for sure. She on it.
Like it. I'm making never start with girl sing for the first time. Me like it. Go on.
Top floor, she ballin' for more. She getting hardcore, she a freak. Watch her pussy lick. My color, she hip. That is a grip when you're tight in your pimp. She walk with her lip, no. Yeah, she walk with her lip, no. Oh. She not like the rest, baby girl, you the best. She pass all the tests and she clean up the mess now.
Oh yeah. Alright.
She not like the rest, baby girl, you the best. She pass all the tests and she clean up the mess now.
Yeah, try to catch your song. Go on. Listen now.
She love it when bad man take.
And them see now we are talk about. Hey, Aaron Alexis. Me not have to tell you thank you no more time, you know, because the amount of time I say thank you on the video. Hold on, no man. You see them dark skinned girl in a trouble right now, you know. They come here, go on the what? Go on!
Cup a dress, suck up a brush, she do the same, come suck off my neck. Bust it like a tech, yeah, me love it when you get on top and scrape up my chest. You reach really deep, I'ma turn you over. Put my hands on your shoulder, bend you over. She want me take my time when I arch her over. Beat her from the back with a fucking slow song. Baby, you need to slow down, you cannot go now. That's what she tell me, she want me hold on. I cannot fall now, my girl, she really mean. She know how to put it in. When she done, she gets on her knees. From above, she like the shots of the magazine. My girl, she do the clean, but she bad.
What's the BFI emoji in the comment section right now? People, I want to see BFI emoji in the comment section right now. Bumbleclad. 3 points entertainment. Them can't take your 3 points. Marated. The director, you go on!
But she not like the rest, she clean up the mess. My girl, she the best. She not like the rest, baby girl, you the best. She pass all the tests and she clean up the mess, man.
Why? That pussy them fat. No. For sure, girl. So them pussy good when you see it. Girl, your pump fat. But don't chat. Alright. Go on!
She not like the rest, baby girl, you the best. She pass all the tests and she clean up the mess,
up in that Sharon, yeah!
She clean up the mess, She not like the rest. She not like the rest, now.
Alright then. Alright, see you now. I see that, but you see that one day when I look kind of bluish color. You call them something like kerchief looking jazz. I go on Instagram, you see me. Link me on Instagram at Terry Blacks. Is that right there, so? Is that right there, so? Link me on Instagram at Terry Blacks. My something to tell you personally. Just link me, real quick. You don't know your chat. Go run through.
Clean up the mess now. She not like the rest, now.
Little booty matters. Little booty matters. Little booty matters. Oh gosh. Yeah. You done to hey. This song all done and we just still a vibe to blood clot. She don't like the dress when she. Oh yeah. Are you? My one, me go on Instagram. My link right. You. Link me Instagram. Oh, clot. Give them a smile. You mad. Here next again, brother. Big up yourself and big up everybody, right? So you understand me and say, what that? Knuckleheads entertain, big up yourself also. You don't know a chap going on 3 points and vibration, sound and GT. What I want the rest. So me can urban connection, big up yourself. But people pitney. Make sure you follow me on Instagram because I have a banger post. You see me? We're back to having the Americans singing Caribbean music. Posting. Today's Thursday, right? Posting tomorrow. Yes, I record the videos in the morning, right? Now, if you never know, at the morning, right? Now, this is the day off. As me I say, we're back to posting every single day over here, so. And we're back to posting bangers and narrations. So, subscribe to Terry Blacks if you're not subscribed. And if you're first time watching Reaction Boss on the channel, subscribe right now. Hey, me, we are turn up. But right now, boy, you're singing hot. You're singing hot. Like in from 10 Batman, go say, you know I'm gone. Big up on yourself. Reaction Boss saying not.